5 best apps to buy Bitcoin in USA. If you're thinking about buying Bitcoin and you're in the United States, there's one thing you should never overlook. The app you use matters. Not all crypto apps are the same. Some charge hidden fees, others are confusing to use, and a few they're just plain risky. So in this video we're gonna show you the 5 best apps to buy Bitcoin in the USA safely, quickly, and with full control. Each app in este ranking has been selected based on trust, ease of use, fees, and user experience. And the number 1 app is the one that even experienced investors are switching to. Let's get into it. Number 5. Cash App. Cash App started as a peer-to-peer payment tool, but today is one of the easiest ways to buy Bitcoin in the United States. Why do so many people use it? Simple, beginner-friendly interface. Buy Bitcoin instantly with as little as $1, withdraw to your personal wallet. Secure and regulated in the US. It's not the cheapest app, spreads can be a bit high, but for convenience and speed, Cash App is hard to beat, especially if you're new to Bitcoin and want something that just works. And what comes next gives you even more flexibility. Number 4. Robinhood. Robinhood made a name for itself with commission-free stock trading. But yes, it also allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin along with other cryptocurrencies. What stands out? Zero commission on Bitcoin trades, clean and fast mobile experience, regulated platform with US-based security controls, link your bank and trade in seconds. Now, there's one thing to note. For a long time, Robinhood didn't allow crypto withdrawals, but that's changed. Now you can send your Bitcoin to your personal wallet if you want full control. That makes Robinhood a better option than ever before. Still, if you want access to more coins and more features, keep watching. Number 3. Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most well-known crypto platforms in the world, and for good reason. It's designed to be easy, safe, and fully regulated in the US. Here's what makes it a go-to app for buying Bitcoin. Simple interface with strong security. Buy Bitcoin with debit card or bank transfer. Educational tools and reward programs. Option to move to Coinbase Advanced for lower fees. People often say Coinbase feels like the Apple of crypto, clean, simple, and polished. It's perfect if you're looking for trust, ease, and a professional feel. But for better pricing and more control, wait until you see the next app. Number 2. Kraken. Kraken is one of the oldest and most respected crypto exchanges in the United States, and its app gives you direct access to Bitcoin at low fees and pro-level tools. Here's why Kraken is so highly rated. Low trading fees, especially with limit orders, strong security and US-based compliance, supports instant purchases and recurring buys, easy to use mobile app, plus Kraken Pro for advanced traders. People who switch from Coinbase often say Kraken just feels more serious. It gives you more control, better pricing, and faster access to your funds. If you care about performance and long-term use, Kraken is a strong choice. But if you want the most powerful, most flexible, and most complete app to buy Bitcoin, nothing beats what's next. Number 1. Interactive brokers. Yes, interactive brokers. It might surprise you, but interactive brokers now lets you buy Bitcoin through regulated crypto partnerships, and it's becoming one of the smartest ways to do it. Why does it take the number 1 spot? Ultra low commissions on crypto trades, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more directly in your account. Regulated in the US and fully compliant. Access through the IBKR Global Trader app. Seamless integration with your stock, ETF, and bond investments. This is the only app in this ranking that gives you full access to traditional and crypto markets in one place, and that's why so many investors are making the move. You can buy Bitcoin, trade stocks, hold bonds, and convert currency all from one account. Real users say it feels professional, secure, and future-proof. If you're looking for long-term investing in Bitcoin, not just hype, Interactive Brokers is the number 1 app to use. Remember that you have the links to the apps mentioned in the description and in the first pinned comment in the same order as in this video. And remember, this video is for information and opinion only. It is not financial advice. Always speak with a qualified expert if you need personalized help. If you found this ranking helpful, give the video a like. Subscribe if you want more tools and insights that help you invest smarter, not just faster. And don't forget to check the description. There you'll find recommended platforms and tools that can save you time and help you make better decisions with your money.